guys, this is a little explanation as to what you're going to do for your final exam. You guys are going to work through the material for your final at your own pace. If you are ready for the final exam in 2 days, you can take the final exam. If it takes you a little longer and you're ready in 4 days, that's fine. I'm going to set some deadlines for you. You should have a calendar in front of you that you should be shooting for, but it's completely at your own pace. So I'm going to create a couple of different videos for every different chapter, and you guys are going to watch what you need to and don't watch what you don't want to. I'm going to go through each chapter individually, and this is the portion of the videos that you must watch. It should take no more than 3 minutes of your life. You're going to jot down some notes, and then if you want to try the rest on your own without any help from me, go for it. If you feel like you might need to watch a couple examples that I go through, that should help you kind of refresh your memory, but that's completely up to you. In addition to these videos, I'm going to give you an answer key for every different chapter for you to check your answers as you go. So if you don't want to watch the examples, you just want to look at the answer key, that is totally up to you. So use these videos at your own pace. Do what you need to. Always ask for my help if you need to. But just to give you a heads up, your first part of your final exam is going to cover Chapter 4, Part 2, so graphing. It's going to cover Chapter 5, when we were graphing systems, and Chapter 6, where we talked about exponent rules and polynomials. After you finish those 3 sections, you should be ready for that first part of your final exam. After you take that first part, you're going to be asked to take the second part of the final exam, which covers Chapter 7, which we were factoring, and Chapter 8 are radical expressions. So it's split into 2 because it is a very, very long final. It covers everything that we've talked about this semester, so it's just to make it more manageable. If you don't follow the guidelines and you're running behind, I might have you take both parts at the end. So if I don't feel like you're ready when you say you are, because you haven't put the practice in, then I might postpone your taking those final exams. Additionally, if you don't use your class time wisely and go through these examples and make sure that you're ready, you will be asked to come during final exam week. Right now, you don't have to come during final exams. We're going to take it early if you follow that schedule, but if you goof around, then you will have to come during finals week. So just keep that in mind. I don't imagine that any of you will have that happen to you because you're going to work really, really hard. All right? So good luck, and start working through your videos at your own pace.